everything is everything. Alright.
We reach upon the promised land.
Yeah.
To the promised land.
That's it.
And to the promised land. To the promised land. Yeah, we know the promised land. Boy. Food in abundance. Water in abundance.
To the promised land. Oh, to the promised land.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Jafrika video, and today we're up in the countryside and we're gonna do some bush cooking
On the promised land.
on the promised land with
From-
Uncle Ridley.
Let's go. I'm show you how to dig up the ginger now.
What is that?
Ginger.
Where you use this for?
Alright, so any little thing you have, you know? Tea, food, use some turmeric, natural what? Turmeric. Take it out. Yeah.
Alright, so ginger is grown in Jamaica. It's under the ground and we use it for tea, we use it for spices, we use it for all sorts of things. Baba
some
just
more ginger there.
come to farmer, Baba.
Learn from the best.
Come up here so again.
Come in.
You go for a nice root and make me sweet, Baba. See it also. Two nice root also.
See that? Yeah, so that is
Take
it.
off the dirt and show them the ginger, Baba.
Alright, cool. No problem, man.
You have your juice and you put some of this in there.
I dig ginger in the
Trouble.
ass if I say ginger grow. I say, so where you come from? I say, a Jamaica.
Alright.
I say, which part of Jamaica?
Natural.
I say, Kingston or Jamaica. I say, you come from Kingston and you don't know what
Easy.
inside in there no sense of ginger.
Come true.
grow.
I'll show you.
Let me see what you have in there, Uncle Ridley.
Pepper them are doing already, man.
Hot
Me a tell you,
pepper.
Them one are real hot you know, yo.
Taste and buy.
Yeah, they want to taste some by.
Cool.
African. So we're there with Uncle Ridley. And Uncle Ridley are going on another update to the promised land.
Yeah.
Uncle,
Yes.
so for all who never see the promised land in the previous vlog, tell them how long you been doing this farming.
Right. Then I say from me idea I'm knee, you know, Jason. That mean a long time, you know, yo.
From day one.
Day one, yes. I me do. It's about 30 years now.
30 years.
Yeah, about that, yeah.
And how you find it?
Well, I like you know, Bridget, a whole heap of work and you can make a money still, you can live.
Straight.
Yeah, me give it straight, you can live. But you have to put out, you have to dedicate to it. Still.
Dedicated.
Yeah. And now don't just like you come today and you come tomorrow. It's best if you come every day.
Every day.
Yeah. You just know say boy, I say you go.
True.
Yeah.
And then from your farming experiences over the years, separate and aside from, you know, say you can make a living,
Yeah.
how does the farm impact your life and thing?
Well, it just give me some free living still, you know, Jason. John, because more time I have nothing to do, and my family just come sit down and just look on it. If I finish to go and watch a bird them fly, it just give me a nice vibes. You know?
Natural.
Yeah.
Natural.
Yeah. If I just for that, just sit down here so I know say boy, everything nice, you know?
True.
Free living, yeah.
And in terms of farming now for Jamaica and for the younger generation, what you would say? How you think we should approach it, or you think people them should be more young people for engage in it, or how you think it should?
Yes, more young people should engage in farming for real. Still in a bridging, me I say it, me not stop say so.
True.
Because when couple are we done out as for what me see they go on, you know, when all me pass off, I done with. So this thing I should teach in high school them.
True.
Carry out all the youth them more time, come make them get a experience and make them see what farming is like. Yeah.
Natural. True.
You see what I say? Yeah, man.
True.
You know, the school them need to have some tour, man, where they can go to the picnic them and show them some things, man.
True.
You know, can live still, you know. Everybody know have to turn teacher. Because looking, everybody know have to turn nurse, everybody know have to turn doctor. Because me looking at more time, just hear the piece, you know what I see. They have one something at school and careers there.
True.
Yeah. And when me go in a town, I didn't know if it's police suit and sit me see hang up on sidewalk. And yet Jamaica full of small thief. How they go on?
True. So everybody want to police.
Soldier. I just fear that me see. No, if me looking at say one day when I picnic then carry one look at my shit go one high school one day. You know say they laugh off him though. Eh?
True.
You know that?
Probably.
Yeah, they laugh. Yeah,
Making us dress up in a one little hat.
And say,
And in jeans and in water boot.
Yeah, and in water boot
And
say
in lass.
But no mind all in same parents me run him out of the house too.
True.
Yeah, even though them a farmer, they all want to run the picnic out of the house. You know what I say it on.
A big perspective that.
Yeah.
A serious thing.
Check on that for real, just drop on me and say.
Serious.
Me say careers day when you go walk down from Barnett Street, you see. Mrs. Suit, nurse, doctor, soldier, police,
Pilot.
I just pray them something. I mean, see one hang up on the sidewalk, some boy,
Yeah,
that one have
farm.
farmer, I want to come and shit. I don't see nothing like that.
We like that one.
That's true.
For real.
Yeah, man, that's
True.
true thing, man. I say, me don't see nothing like that.
Chef. Uncle Ridley. Ancient. Let's go. What we doing today?
Alright guys, welcome back. So we're in at the farm. Just do a tour with Uncle Ridley now. We are going to be cooking some ackee and saltfish with roasted breadfruit. And we'll see if we can get to the steam callaloo. Because guys, trust me, the environment peaceful. Like when you're in them parts of the world and have no worries. You're not think about nothing. You're not think about no work. You're not think about no school. You're just think about just air vibes. Eat, chill, relax with family, good vibes. And just, you know, live in that moment and enjoy the moment to the fullest. So stay tuned. We're going to cook some food. We're going to vibes. We're going to chill and enjoy the Sunday morning. Bless up.
Bang in. Original.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Blessings, we here,
Yeah.
Africa TV.
Respect. Today is a day we are on the farm, you know.
Natural.
Anything what we eat today is straight off the farm.
That is it.
Nothing refrigerated.
Nothing.
Thank you. So
Highly.
we started. We have a roast yam, Show them.
Sailor.
Yeah. We have
Aki.
roasted breadfruit with ackee and codfish. Yeah, bro. Look down in our pot. You must think a joke thing with the pot.
No play, no
Yeah.
play, no play.
And we have roast plantain. Yeah.
No play, no
Yeah.
play, no
We have a roast plantain. And we moving on. Breadfruit well set. Yam a roast.
Let's go.
And we're moving on. Watch ya. The boss himself taking a 5. Yeah man, we're fully equipped, bro.
Fully equipped.
Yeah. We have if you need ripe banana, don't talk about jelly. We have it abundantly.
Right,
So
all over the
much.
place. Natural.
Yeah. And we have on the ground said if you're ready to drink one, you can come and drink a jelly, brother.
Easily.
Yeah, and we're moving
We're
on.
moving on.
Yeah.
Let's go.
See the man now when you eat meat.
See it.
This is for the vegetable man now, you know, like the Rasta man over there. See him deal with some fish.
Easily.
Yeah. Clean it up, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, do it the right way. And then now we look for our vegetable table, bro. We have a pop chai. Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
And we have a callaloo. We can't go without it, you know, brother. Can't go without it because if you're not a veg, you're not say no.
Right.
Yeah, that's true, sir. Thank you.
Natural.
So, you know, as we said, the farm well productive.
Easily.
See my sister now bring in some star apple.
Fresh
So you
outside.
just show you everything fresh.
Everything fresh.
Everything fresh, man.
Yeah.
Pineapple, said we.
Everywhere.
Yeah, everything in our reach. So
Easily.
if we just go towards what we want. Yeah, we don't have to pay for nothing for big boss give you the key to the city. Yeah. Alright, sir? Yeah.
We out. Check out it.
Yeah.
Big up.
Natural bush style.
Surviving in nature. Yeah.
Here we go. Man, liquor still in my yard. That's so much. Be careful.
Take it off.
Oh yeah, we can take off that now and
Jackson, you see it up my farm. Yeah. So what I mean, bro? Straight water from the tree. Straight from the tree.
Yeah. Alright, so the ackee and the saltfish. Ready? Boil up, cook. Ready? So now we're going to strip the saltfish and prepare and get it ready. Go in a pot. What? So much movement around us.
no ancient.
start the ackee and saltfish thing, you know. So the first thing we do, you know, we get the oil well hot. And then we pour all our seasoning in it, right? Yeah. And after that stage, you know, yes, sir.
When we done eat,
That rock like a raccoon.
you know, sir. Yeah. Aye. Woo! Yeet is on.
So, you know, turn down. Yes, Virgin. Suffer with national dish look, you know. It's no nothing more than eat. No. Pretty like, yo.
What kind of breadfruit this I know? It's like a yellow heart.
Velvet heart.
Velvet heart.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so today we are eat off a banana leaf. No plate, no in a jungle. Strictly
Roots and culture. Everything off the farm.
so you have some breadfruit, the ackee and saltfish, callaloo and pop chow, and some ripe plantain. You don't need nothing
And
more
green
than this.
plantain
And
press.
to take it a press the green plantain over there. So.
Yeah,
Say.
the boy saying one no diet, but taste the food, that's how I go on. Hey, the man food, I mean, hand life with every day, you know.
Finger food.
Mm-hmm.
Like if I could take taste.
Man. Yo, man, I'm from New York. You understand me? In the jungle right here.
Eh?
This is beautiful. Banging. Beautiful. You understand?
Come
Banging.
here,
So
you
out here.
still not gone. You hear me now? Yeah, boy, man, not gone.
Well done, girl.
Three different tastes, yo.
Yeah. Back on another movements. We just finished having breakfast. Take on the road, go down river, wash off. Can't hear it from right here. So. Water refreshing, truly. Really nice spot. You have to stay tuned with nature, people, you know. After you're busy in the city, you have to make sure you take your time, connect with Mother Earth, rejuvenate yourself. You know, if you don't find the time will find you. So make the time, alright? Take it. As usual, you know, we take her to the Mother Earth. Alright, baby girl, cool.
This is the first I've been here, and trust me, I like it.
Let's go. Yes, we're gonna get some lunch.
Yeah. Final lap now. I have some conker roast on the grill, roast yam, some fish in a foil paper, roast already. We have on some water, we cook some white yam, and down here so now. Under this, you there? Fried snapper fish, escovitch sauce, right banana for snack if you need a snack, jelly coconut all over the place. Take it a look bram for ketchup and fire properly. Yeah.
All the way, more strength, life and
I peak of we have to establish making things nice type bush. I tell you. You see, we have to establish the because it's nice type bush and anybody come across the way, we have to take care of them and tell you we have to be nice bush. It's right here, son. See, we put out the man and the brush where we have them there. We have to, anytime we're ready, come through and we can take care and do what we have to do. The safety, big boss, every time. See? Respect.
Bang in.
great vibe.